Prepared latest market updates for December 14th, 2022. TUI considers capital increase after profit. TUI, the world's largest vacation company, said it plans to pay COVID-19 support through capital increases next year after a strong summer helped it return to profitability and projected a solid 2023. Germany-based TUI said it will begin reducing its reliance on the German state, which helped the group survive the pandemic when travel stopped. The company said it will fund the payouts through a capital increase next year, which its chief financial officer estimates will be between 1.6 billion and 1.8 billion euros. TUI will use the capital increase to repay its debt to Germany's Economic Stabilization Fund, WSF, of between 730 million euros and 957 million euros. In return, it will receive equivalent rights to its shares, which have lost 40% of their value in a year, fell 4% to 141 pence in early trading. TUI, which organizes holidays, hotels, cruise ships, and airlines, posted an underlying profit (EBIT) of 409 million euros, $435 million for the year ended September, compared with a loss of 2 billion euros the previous year. Binance withdraws billions from the exchange. Binance recorded $1.9 billion in withdrawals, blockchain data firm Nansen reported Tuesday, as the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange said it had temporarily suspended withdrawals from the USDC stablecoin. How cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and its bankrupt former competitor FTX handle customer deposits is under scrutiny by users and regulators. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was accused Tuesday by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission of defrauding investors. Binance, whose dominance of the cryptocurrency market was cemented by FTX's decline, last week tweeted a so-called Mazars audit report on proving reserves. The report showed that on one day in November, the amount of bitcoins held on the exchange exceeded customer deposits. According to Nansen, withdrawals of $1.9 billion from Ethereum blockchain-based tokens were the largest daily outflow in the 24-hour period since June 13th and accounted for most of the funds withdrawn in the past 7 days. Withdrawals from the Binance exchange are increasing due to growing uncertainty about its reserves report, said a Nansen spokesperson. Oil declines as U.S. crude inventories rise. Oil prices fell Wednesday after industrial data showed an unexpected increase in U.S. crude inventories against analyst forecast of a decline, adding to fears of weakening demand even as supply fell. Brent crude futures fell 0.2% to $80.5 a barrel, and U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures fell 0.2% to $75.05. Meanwhile, market participants are also taking profits amid continuing risks ahead of U.S. Federal Open Market Committee meeting, said Tina Tan, an analyst at CMC Markets. The U.S. Consumer Price Index rose 0.1% in November after rising 0.4% the previous month. U.S. Federal Reserve policymakers are expected to raise interest rates by 50 basis points Wednesday, slowing from the 75 basis point pace they have maintained in meetings since June as they struggle with inflation. U.S. crude oil inventories rose about 7.8 million barrels in the week through December 9th, according to market sources citing data from the American Petroleum Institute, while analysts had expected stocks to fall 3.6 million barrels.